guys back here from the coding and today we are gonna have a Python video in which we're gonna make a stack. Yay! So yeah, let's get on idle. So what is a stack? A stack is basically a LIFO. So what's a LIFO? Again, LIFO is last in first out. So I'll give you a perfect example. Breakfast. So if you're in a hotel and breakfast is happening, and before the breakfast the waiter puts up the plates, okay, in the plate place where you take all the plates from. Yeah, buffet, in a buffet thing. I don't know what it's called, but yeah. So last dish the waiter puts is going to be the first dish that you take. Yeah. Oh shoot, what happened to my mic? Nothing. Oh fine. So yeah, so we're gonna do that program right now in Python. So yeah, put a little bit up. Yeah, but skip. But skip. So what we're gonna do is while just getting in the way. Come over here. Yeah, good. Very good. Stay down there. So while condition is equals to true. So this is, let me cough for 1 second, please. Excuse me. Let me put it over. Yeah, that's better. Sorry. So yeah, we get on with the video. So true, if while condition is equals to true. Oh, shit, I was not supposed to do that, was I? So we're gonna delete this. So it's what we're gonna do is, no, not this. So we're gonna do this. No, this. No. You're not getting it, are you? Yes, good. So we're gonna do while condition, then we're gonna ask. So number. So what I'm doing right here is while condition. So while this variable is true, this thing will keep on going on. So it's like a loop. If it's in a loop video, down in the description. Or if I don't, maybe if because I'm very bad at remembering things, it will be down in my channel. Like if you press on videos, get one of them. Yeah, press skip. So yeah, temp number. I'm gonna put this T down. So now we're gonna do squats on the head. Yeah, not that. So yeah, so we're gonna do temp number is equals to, put my mouse down, put this down, everything down, input please enter the number you want to put in the stack, and they're all variables, and I'm a chicken. So this here, close this down. Yeah, so it's gonna be that, and we want to put in a stack, and we're gonna do let me think. Yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this thing in a variable called number, which is gonna be so temp number. So we're gonna make a list called number. So number is equals to pacham. No, not that. Pacham. And then pacham. Yeah. So then if we enter that, so we're gonna do number dot nd temp number. So this thing puts number into temp numbers. Okay, so then after that we're gonna do, and so we're gonna put this thing called range check. So it's gonna be called RANGECHECK. Yep, okay. So range check. So range check we're gonna do. It's gonna be keeping count of how many times a number has been put into the system. So it's gonna be range check is equals to range check. Put it a bit here. Yep. Plus no. Plus 1. Then we're gonna do under it range check. Then we're gonna do variable called done. So what done is gonna do is it's gonna keep in count of all the things that like if you're inputting things, it's gonna keep count of when you want to exit the loop, like if you don't want to put any more numbers in. So it's gonna be done is equals to input input, and then we're gonna do you want to input more numbers? Do you want to input more numbers? So we're gonna put the bracket for text and this over here, and we're gonna put this down. Done, and we're gonna do enter, and then we're gonna do if done is equals to that's for if you're comparing it with someone, then you put double is equals to signs. If you're not comparing, you use 21. Okay, so what we're gonna do is equals to yeah, do you want more numbers n? So if it is equals to n, put this down. It's gonna do con dition is equals to no false. So what is happening here? If it's wrong, condition is equals to false. Okay, so this only once when condition is true. So if it turns false, it'll not do this. Sorry, it'll not do this, and it'll come on to the next thing. So we're gonna write the next thing down now. 2 spaces. Okay, and we're gonna write. So we're gonna make a new condition called condition 1. So I'm gonna write here. Well, we're gonna start with con dition is equals to true, and then we're gonna put another one called con dition 1 is equals to true. So you must be wondering why I put condition 1. We're gonna make another while loop. So it's gonna be done while small w. Okay, while put a little bit down. Yeah, okay. While condition, sorry, double T C, while condition 1 is equals to true. Puts down, yeah. So get is equals to, we're gonna put the same thing down, same thing, but the thing is, we after these 2 lines we're gonna get on with something else, which is gonna be how you take the first the last one you put here, you take the first one out here. And this range check is gonna be really applicable. So if you think range check is of no use, so I just saw the range check is wrong. So CHEC. Okay, sorry guys. So get is equals to um sorry, input, which is gonna be let's write, do you want to pop the number OUT of the out of the what do you call it, stack. So you must be wondering, what is pop? Pop is the name for Python when you take something out of the stack. That's like the Python name, yeah. So we're gonna go enter. We're gonna write if get is equals to y. What it's gonna do is, so we're gonna put another range check kind of thing called check. Check is equals to check plus 1. Yep. And by the way, this thing, guys, I made myself, so you cannot take it from me. You cannot. Okay. So then check plus 1. We're gonna write print. Print number. Where inside it we're gonna write range check. Okay. So now you're wondering, what is this? Okay, so we're gonna put the bracket again. No, bracket again. No, bracket again. Yes. So number range. So I'm gonna write range check inside this. Sorry. Number range check. So you might be wondering, what does this mean? So inside the list you can put up options. So this is gonna be maybe 1. We can write 1. So the first place in the list is going to be determined by that number. So what is happening here is, like, I did minus check because range check, what it does, it starts from 1. So but number, so for a list it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But for check, but for range check it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So I did minus check every time, because you all like, if it does one time, the same thing's gonna happen in second place. So keeps on happening. So let me go down once. Yep. Sorry, I forgot to put this here. Yeah, good. Put it down, and we're gonna do. Yeah, look at me when I'm talking. Yep. I work hard. Yeah, else. So else is equals to, else it'll break. There's one more thing. So what happens is, if it goes to the end and it has no more numbers left, okay, in the stack, it's gonna just say error, okay, and we don't want that. We don't want any weird signs, do we? So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna do if range check plus, no, sorry, range check minus check is equals to 0. I'm gonna put this up, and if that happens, what it's gonna do is it's going to say int you are out of variables. Good. So else break. Okay, all of it's done now. So we are gonna run this program, see how it goes. Invalid syntax. So now we run it. Please work. Break outside loop. So oh, I understand. Tab. I'm gonna double tap this, like bam. We're gonna run this module. In the watch number you want to put a stack 9. We're gonna define range check now over here. Okay, so range check is equals to int 0. Good. So I'm gonna put 9. Then range check is not defined. Range. Oh my god. So put more elements, yeah. So we're gonna put 3. Put more numbers. Nah. Our stack. Yeah. 7. Win. Again. Maybe this is gonna run now again. We're gonna try. So the problem with Python is you have many minor errors. Okay, so you need to keep that in mind when you do Python. So we're gonna do this for you want purpose on stack. So let's see. So 483579 4835. Oh, I must have gone too fast, maybe. I don't know. Let's start again. 9 enter, y enter, 9. So no. Yes. Put it out of there, yeah. No, yes. 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 So I'll just put a break here. Break the program if this problem happens right here. So I think this is the end of the video, guys. So great day to you all, and bye. 3, 2, 1.